First up is the Weidmuller Swifty CS, a brilliant 3-in-1 adapter that instantly transforms your standard 3.5mm screwdriver into a cutting and stripping powerhouse. Instead of constantly juggling 3 different tools while wiring control panels, you can simply slide this attachment on to cut copper wires and strip insulation with the integrated blade, then immediately tighten terminals in one fluid motion. It features an automatic opening mechanism that reduces hand strain and is designed for both left and right-handed users, making it the ultimate pocket-sized efficiency booster for professionals who need to travel light and work faster than ever before. Meet the RB401TE, a revolutionary stand-up rebar tying tool designed to make concrete work faster and safer. Forget back-breaking labor. This ergonomic tool lets you tie rebar while standing upright. With its advanced TwinTier technology, it ties securely in under a second, ensuring strong and consistent results. Its battery-powered operation delivers up to 4,000 ties per charge, keeping you productive all day long. Ideal for bridges, roads, or high-rise projects, it's built tough for demanding jobs. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for professionals looking to save time and energy. Tackle your toughest tasks with efficiency and ease using this innovative solution. Reaching deep into engine bays is a breeze with the Sealey SKRT01 Topside creeper. This sturdy yet comfortable tool supports up to 136 kilograms, giving mechanics the leverage to access tight spaces effortlessly. Its padded chest support ensures you stay comfortable during long hours, while the adjustable height adapts to any vehicle. The foldable design makes storage a cinch, and the sturdy wheels allow easy mobility around the workshop. From SUVs to trucks, this creeper is your ideal partner for engine maintenance. Built for durability and convenience, it's a must-have for any serious mechanic. Say goodbye to awkward positions and hello to efficient repairs. Transform your wall-cutting tasks with the MACROZA SC 300 Pro, the ultimate wall chaser machine. This high-powered tool effortlessly cuts clean, precise channels for cables and pipes in brick, concrete, or stone. Its unique design reduces dust and noise, keeping your workspace cleaner and quieter. Lightweight and easy to handle, it minimizes fatigue, even during extended use. With adjustable cutting widths and depths, it adapts to various projects, making it a versatile choice. Ideal for electricians and plumbers, this tool boosts productivity while delivering professional results. Revolutionize your workflow with this innovative machine that combines power and precision. Digging post holes is no longer a back-breaking task with the tough-built post hole digger. Its fiberglass handles and steel blades make digging through tough soil effortless. The ergonomic grip minimizes hand fatigue, letting you work longer with ease. Perfect for setting fence posts or planting trees, this tool's balanced design ensures maximum leverage. Durable and built to last, it's ready for heavy-duty use in any outdoor project. Whether you're a landscaper or a DIY enthusiast, this digger is your ultimate partner. Achieve precise, professional results with every hole you dig. Upgrade your gardening game today. Experience the power of silence with the RYOBI 40 VHP air cannon. This cordless hybrid fan delivers high-powered airflow while maintaining a whisper-quiet operation. Perfect for cooling job sites, garages, or outdoor events, its portable design ensures you stay comfortable anywhere. With hybrid power options, you can choose between battery or plug-in for unlimited runtime. The adjustable fan head and powerful motor ensure maximum air circulation. Built tough with weather-resistant materials, it's ready for any environment. Say goodbye to bulky fans and hello to versatile cooling. Beat the heat in style with this innovative air cannon. Achieve perfect angles every time with the Southwire DIGANGL digital angle gauge. This compact tool provides precise measurements, making it ideal for carpentry, construction, or metalwork. Its magnetic base securely attaches to metal surfaces, freeing up your hands for accurate adjustments. The easy-to-read digital display shows angles in real time, ensuring flawless results. Lightweight and portable, it fits comfortably in your pocket or toolbox. Whether you're setting miter saw blades or aligning pipes, This gauge guarantees professional precision. Take the guesswork out of your projects with this essential tool. Accuracy has never been this simple or convenient. The Halo Blaze Osprey takes heat shrink tube processing to a whole new level of efficiency and precision. Designed for professionals, this machine uses controlled heat to shrink tubes quickly and uniformly, making wire insulation a breeze. Its adjustable temperature and airflow settings ensure compatibility with various tube sizes and materials. With a compact design, it fits seamlessly into any workspace, whether it's a factory or a repair shop. The intuitive controls simplify operations, saving you time on repetitive tasks. Ideal for electricians and manufacturers, it delivers clean professional results every time. Durable and reliable, it's built for consistent performance. Upgrade your wiring workflow with this powerful processing tool. Achieve a lush, evenly fertilized lawn with the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard DLX spreader. This push broadcast spreader holds enough seed, fertilizer, or ice melt to cover up to 15,000 square feet. Its EdgeGuard technology ensures precise application by blocking the spread from sidewalks and driveways. The ergonomic handle and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to maneuver across large areas. Designed for durability, it withstands regular use in all seasons. Whether maintaining a yard or tackling icy driveways, this tool simplifies your outdoor chores. Make lawn care a breeze and enjoy professional-grade results at home. Transform your landscape with precision and ease. The Bandit CP4000D is the ultimate cordless solution for applying center punches with speed and consistency. Designed for heavy-duty industrial use, it delivers up to 200 punches per charge. Its ergonomic design reduces operator fatigue, while the intuitive controls make it simple to use. Built for efficiency, this tool streamlines the process of securing clamps, bands, and fasteners. With its rugged construction, it's ready to handle demanding environments, from construction sites to manufacturing facilities. The compact, portable design allows you to work anywhere with ease. Take your fastening tasks to the next level with this high-performance tool. Reliable, durable, and powerful, it's built to last. Turn yard waste into nutrient-rich mulch with the super handy leaf mulcher shredder. This electric-powered tool can shred up to 17 gallons of leaves per minute, making cleanup a breeze. Its robust steel blades and powerful motor ensure fast, efficient performance. Compact and portable, it's perfect for residential or commercial landscaping projects. The mulch it produces is ideal for gardens, reducing waste and promoting eco-friendly practices. Safety features like overload protection provide peace of mind during operation. Easy to assemble and store, it's a must-have for anyone tackling fall cleanups. Simplify your yard work and give back to the earth with this efficient shredder. Revolutionize your workflow with the Hilti Neuron XOT22 tool balancer, designed to reduce strain and enhance productivity. This innovative exoskeleton supports your upper body, making heavy lifting tasks easier and safer. Ideal for repetitive jobs, it reduces fatigue and risk of injury, allowing you to work longer without discomfort. Lightweight and adjustable, it adapts seamlessly to your body and tasks. Built for tough job sites, it ensures durability and reliability in demanding environments. Whether installing drywall or handling power tools, this balancer boosts efficiency and safety. Step into the future of construction ergonomics with this game-changing innovation. Shape and smooth a variety of materials effortlessly with the Craftsman 10-inch rasp file. This versatile hand tool is perfect for woodworking, metalworking, and even shaping plastics. Its high-carbon steel construction ensures durability, while the sharp, coarse teeth deliver fast material removal. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Compact and easy to maneuver, it's ideal for detailed shaping or quick adjustments. Whether you're a carpenter or a hobbyist, this file guarantees precise and professional results. Add this reliable tool to your collection and tackle any shaping task with ease and confidence. Drill precise holes of varying diameters with the Wolfcraft adjustable hole saw AH45 130. This versatile tool covers a wide range of sizes, from 45 mm to 130 mm, eliminating the need for multiple saws. Its adjustable mechanism ensures accuracy, while the durable construction guarantees long-term use. The integrated depth stop adds safety and control, making it ideal for wood, drywall, and plastic projects. Easy to set up and use, it's perfect for both professionals and DIYers. Compact and efficient, it simplifies complex tasks like installing lights or vents. Experience versatility and precision in one tool, saving time and effort on every job. Compact yet powerful, the Sumake pocket-type air twister blowgun is perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach spots. Its high-pressure air blast effectively removes debris, dust, and moisture from machinery, tools, or workspaces. The lightweight design fits comfortably in your hand, while the ergonomic grip ensures easy operation. Durable materials make it suitable for both industrial and home use, delivering consistent performance. The innovative twist nozzle offers adjustable airflow for various tasks, from precision cleaning to heavy-duty applications. Portable and efficient, it's a must-have for mechanics and technicians. Simplify maintenance and keep your workspace spotless with this handy blowgun. The OX Pro Claw Bar is the ultimate tool for pulling nails, lifting materials, and dismantling structures with ease. Its high-strength steel construction ensures durability, while the precision-forged claws provide a powerful grip. The slimline design makes it ideal for accessing tight spaces, and the ergonomic handle reduces hand strain during use. Perfect for construction professionals or home renovators, it offers unmatched leverage for tough jobs. Whether you're prying open crates, removing nails, or working on demolition, this tool gets the job done efficiently. Lightweight yet tough, it's built to withstand heavy-duty tasks. Add this reliable claw bar to your toolbox for versatile and dependable performance. Simplify your assembly and repair tasks with the Alloyman 4V electric screwdriver kit. This compact yet powerful tool features multiple torque settings, ensuring precision for delicate or heavy-duty applications. Its rechargeable battery provides extended runtime, and the LED light illuminates dark workspaces. With a variety of interchangeable bits included, it's ready to tackle screws of all shapes and sizes. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, allowing you to work comfortably for longer. Keep your projects on track with this efficient, user-friendly screwdriver. Compact, versatile, and reliable, it's a must-have in any toolkit. Handle tough pipework with the rigid compound leverage wrenches, designed for maximum torque with minimal effort. The compound leverage system multiplies your strength, making it easy to tighten or loosen even the most stubborn pipes. Crafted from high-grade steel, these wrenches offer exceptional durability for industrial and plumbing tasks. The textured grip ensures secure handling, even in wet or greasy conditions. Available in various sizes, they adapt to a wide range of pipe diameters, ensuring versatility. Lightweight and portable, they're perfect for both fieldwork and workshop use. Whether you're a plumber or a contractor, these wrenches deliver unmatched performance and reliability. Unloading heavy truck bed cargo has never been simpler than with the Sealey TBU-01 cargo unloader. This rugged tool supports up to 900 kilograms, letting you offload goods quickly and effortlessly. Its hand-cranked mechanism ensures smooth operation, while the durable canvas sheet resists wear and tear. Perfect for landscaping materials, tools, or construction supplies, it saves time and energy on every job. Easy to install and remove, it fits most standard truck beds, making it a versatile addition to your gear. Designed for heavy-duty use, it's built to withstand demanding tasks. Simplify your hauling operations and boost productivity with this innovative unloader. Ensure electrical safety with the Southwire GFCI receptacle tester, featuring an easy-to-read LCD screen. This compact device quickly diagnoses wiring issues and confirms proper GFCI operation, making it essential for electricians and homeowners. Its durable construction withstands job site conditions, while the ergonomic design allows comfortable handling. The bright LCD provides clear results even in low-light areas, enhancing accuracy. Compatible with standard outlets, it simplifies troubleshooting and ensures compliance with safety standards. Lightweight and portable, it's an invaluable tool for inspections, repairs, and installations. Keep your electrical systems safe and reliable with this efficient, user-friendly tester. Protect your knees and work in comfort with the ToughBuilt GelFit Fanatic Thigh Support Knee Pads. Featuring ergonomic thigh supports, they distribute weight evenly, reducing strain during extended tasks. The gel and foam padding provide superior cushioning, While the durable shell resists abrasion on rough surfaces, adjustable straps ensure a secure fit, allowing freedom of movement without slipping. Designed for construction, flooring, and gardening, they're built to withstand demanding environments. Lightweight yet robust, they offer all-day comfort and protection. Whether kneeling on concrete or gravel, these knee pads keep you safe and supported. Elevate your productivity with this essential gear. The RYOBI 18-volt 1+ HP brushless tile and masonry saw is a compact powerhouse designed for precision and durability. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers exceptional cutting performance on tiles, stone, and masonry with minimal effort. Its 127mm blade ensures clean, precise cuts, while the cordless design provides unmatched portability for on-site flexibility. The ergonomic handle and lightweight build make it comfortable to use, even during extended tasks. Featuring water delivery ports, it minimizes dust and enhances blade longevity for smoother operation. Ideal for professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts, it combines power with convenience. Get ready to tackle tough cutting jobs with efficiency and ease using this innovative tool. The Weidmuller AM16, a precision sheathing stripper engineered to handle round cables between 6 and 17 millimeters with surgical accuracy. This compact tool utilizes a specialized rotating blade that allows you to perform both circular and longitudinal cuts effortlessly, ensuring you can remove tough outer sheathing without ever nicking the delicate conductors inside. With a fully adjustable cutting depth and a secure, ergonomic grip, it simplifies the often tedious task of cable preparation, even in tight, confined spaces, giving you a clean, professional strip every single time you reach for it in your toolkit. Cutting large tiles has never been easier than with the Monolith Flashline 3. This revolutionary manual cutter combines precision and power to slice tiles up to 10 feet long with a smooth, clean finish. Its innovative gliding system ensures perfect alignment, while the lightweight yet durable build makes it easy to handle. Whether you're working on a floor, wall, or countertop, this tool guarantees professional results every time. With its scratch-resistant track and anti-slip pads, you can cut confidently without worrying about surface damage. Say goodbye to complex tile jobs and hello to seamless perfection. Perfect for contractors and renovation pros, this tool is a game changer. Get ready to transform your tile cutting experience. The Skill Brushless 12-volt 20-volt flip drill offers compact versatility with a unique dual chuck system, allowing quick switching between drilling and driving tasks without changing bits. Powered by a durable brushless motor, it delivers efficient performance and extended tool life. Its lightweight design enhances maneuverability, making it ideal for tight spaces and prolonged use. Compatible with both 12-volt and 20-volt skill batteries, it provides flexibility for various projects. An integrated LED work light ensures visibility in low-light conditions, while ergonomic features add comfort for precise handling. Perfect for DIYers and professionals, it streamlines drilling and fastening tasks efficiently. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.